Hello everyone, welcome to Design First YouTube channel. In today's video, we're gonna make chair app design. First, we will select iPhone 11X Pro, then save the file and rename it as chair app design. Next, select text tool and write me. Click move tool and give text style bold and text size 40 and change the color. Then align it properly. Select text tool and write Sansa chair. Change the text into Poppins and give style medium. Now give text size 77 and line height to 70. Now align the text properly. Next, select text tool and write dummy text. Now select move tool and change text size into 11 and line height 16. And change the color. And align the text properly. Next, select shape tool and make a circle of width 520 and height 517. Remove the fill and give border size 6 and color the border. And set it properly. Now we will take asset. Asset is what we use in videos like images and icon. You can download the asset from link given in description. I have it in my desktop, so I'll just drag and drop. Set the icons properly. Next, take another artboard and select move tool. Now change the color of the artboard. Next, copy the text and paste it. Drag the remaining icons and set them properly. Next, select shape tool and give width and height 17. Now remove the border and change the color. And duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D. Give border color and give border size 2. Now select both the square and give drop shadow. And align it properly. Next, take another icon and align it center. Select shape tool and give width 375 and height 449 and align it center. Next, give curve 48 on top left and right side. Remove the border and set it properly. Now select shape tool and give width 25 and height 4 and give curve 2. Remove the border and change the color. And align it center. Next, duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D. Select both, then group it by pressing Ctrl G and align it center. Next, select text tool and write Sansa chair and give font size 43. Now change the text into Poppins and give font style medium. Then align the text properly. Next, select text tool and write dummy text. Give font size 22 and change the text into Open Sans. Now change the text style into bold and align the text properly. Select shape tool and make a square of width 74 and height 18 and curve all the edges. Now remove the border and change the color and set it properly. Next, select text tool and write rating. Give the font size 9 and change the text style into semi-bold. Now align the text properly within the box. Select the text tool and write 4.6 and set it properly. Now take the star icon and set it properly. Now group the text and icon by right clicking and group it. Select text tool and write dummy text. Now change the text into COG UI. Give font size 14 and give character spacing 18. And align it properly. Select text tool and write read more and give underline. Give text size 12 and change text into Poppins and text style into semi-bold. And align it. Select shape tool and make a rectangle of width 113 and height 44 and curve all the edges. Remove the border and give color through color dropper. Now select text tool and write add to cart and align it properly within the box. Now group it by right click and align it properly. Next select shape tool and make a rectangle of width 83 and height 44 and curve all the edges. Now remove the border and change the color and align it properly. Next select pen tool and make a horizontal line. Give border size 2 and change the color. Use repeat grid to duplicate lines and set it and do line 90 rotation. Select both the lines, right click it and choose group option. Select shape tool and remove the border. Now give width 32 and height 30. Now curve all the edges and align it properly within the rectangle. Next select text tool and write 01 and align it properly. So this is the final preview of the design. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or feedback, comment down and do like, share and subscribe our channel.